I don't know I should tell you this or not, but this happened. On that day, it was a beautiful morning. Sun was on its own way. Sun rays were coming in my house through the windows. The environment was cool and hot at the same time. My wife served me a tea and I took my first sip of my tea, and that was terrible. I kept tea aside and started thinking why this happened. So I defined the problem. Problem is a terrible tea. I started jotting down the causes of the problem. It could have happened because my wife made a mistake. Mistake like she is not trained or distracted or not so careful while preparing a tea, or she is not right for that job. If it is, then whose fault it is? It could also happen because tools or equipments didn't work or may be broken, or it is not calibrated. The possibility is also there that the tea making technique is wrong or outdated or maybe complicated. The issue may be of material also. She may be putting wrong material in the process, or maybe because the measurements were wrong. Maybe it could be something because of the environment or distracted by something urgent and important task like rain or my son. She might have received a call from her mother. Then I started figuring out the ways to fix these causes. So I divided the causes in 3 parts by asking the questions: do I know how to prevent it? If yes, then I marked it with C. That's controllable. If it's preventable but I don't know how to, then marking with L. That's learning. By asking someone or reading or experimenting. And third, if you can't prevent, then mark it with N. That is non-preventable. All the C's need new standard work procedures. All the L's need some trial and error. And all the N's need some protection. And now it was time for plan of action. No, this is not a plan of action. This is my hobby. By the way, I have learned 3 things out of it. First, how to make a fishbone analysis. And second, how to make a tea. And third, we should try this at only our workplaces. Ladies and gentlemen. So ladies and gentlemen, you might be looking for solving the problems at your store or workplaces. Because guessing, blaming, faulting others, questioning the data accuracy doesn't work. Now it's time to discover the ugly causes of the problem instead of just treating the symptoms. And this fishbone analysis will help you in this. God bless you. This is Basaras Patil signing off until we meet again.